In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to creatively manipulate and design your logo using Canva, focusing on achieving an interlocking effect with letters. This walkthrough will help you bring a unique touch to your project by delicately handling design elements and understanding how Canva's features can be utilized to enhance your visual compositions. Let's start by ensuring you're in your Canva project. Once you're in the platform, the first thing you'll want to do is download your logo. This includes checking the transparent background option, which is crucial for allowing design flexibility later on. For our example, we'll be working with the letters DC as our logo. When downloading, make sure the file is of high quality, as this will affect the clarity of your design. Once downloaded, you'll need to upload the logo back into your Canva document to begin tweaking its features. Now that your design is back in Canva, it's time to engage with the edit functions. Begin by selecting your uploaded logo and then navigating to the Shadows option. From there, you'll apply the outline shadow. It's important to keep the outline size thin so that it doesn't overpower the main design. Additionally, ensure that your outline color matches the background. This subtle touch will help your design stand out more sharply and cleanly against the background, without harsh contrast distracting from the overall aesthetic. Next, you'll want to duplicate your logo. In our example, this involves duplicating the DC logo twice. Once duplicated, organize your creations separately to lay the groundwork for that interlocking effect. Begin by aligning the two Ds side by side in the position you desire. After positioning them, proceed to insert the first C where it fits seamlessly between the Ds. This step introduces the layered visual effect, an engaging composition that adds depth to your logo design. To achieve that distinguished interlocking appearance, control the layer sequence by sending the first C to the back, then place your second C layer. The key here is to crop it in half, which ingeniously brings out the interlocking illusion, where each letter appears to be threading through the other. Adjust as necessary to ensure smooth transitions between the letters, maintaining balance and cohesiveness in your design. With these steps completed, you should now have a fresh and innovative logo design in front of you. The interlocking effect not only enriches the visual appeal, but also draws attention through its sophistication and cleverly adjusted spacing. Congratulations on creating a logo that speaks volumes through its simplicity and creative execution. Following these steps in Canva allows you to freely experiment with your logos, enhancing your design's uniqueness. Remember to always explore different outline styles, layer orders, and color combinations to see what fits best with your brand's aesthetics. Thank you for following along, and I look forward to seeing your original design projects.